Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Oval Banneton is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious baker looking to achieve that perfect artisan loaf with a beautiful crust and impressive oven spring, as this specialized basket guides your dough during its final rise, imparting a lovely spiral pattern and ensuring consistent shape. Number 5. BAVIFY Sourdough Starter Kit. Simplify your bread baking journey with our complete sourdough starter kit. It includes every tool you need, from mixing to shaping, making artisan bread creation a breeze. Our proofing baskets are crafted from 100% natural Indonesian rattan, free from dyes and chemicals. All the supplies in this kit are of premium quality to elevate your baking experience. Enjoy the convenience of our Banneton baskets, designed for ease of use and quick cleanup. Achieve perfect texture and a crispy crust effortlessly, baking like a seasoned pro. This comprehensive kit contains round and oval proofing baskets, liners, a dough whisk, scraper, scoring tool with blades, and much more. You'll have all the necessary tools for baking. This kit is ideal for anyone who loves baking bread and makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Bring the joy of freshly baked, homemade bread to your home. What we like. This is the ultimate starter kit for anyone new to sourdough. It includes absolutely everything you need, from mixing tools to proofing baskets and even decorative stencils. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to begin your sourdough journey and want a comprehensive package, this is the one for you. What people say. The Oval Banneton is a great size for a standard loaf of bread. The basket is made of natural rattan, which is durable and easy to clean. It comes with a liner and scraper, making it a complete set for bread making. Number 4. Banneton Bread Proofing Basket Set. Get everything you need for perfect sourdough bread in one convenient set. From mixing to proofing and baking, this kit helps you make artisan loaves with ease. Our proofing baskets are smooth, non-stick, and simple to maintain. Achieve consistent dough shape and a crisp crust without any messy cleanup. This set includes round and oval baskets, linen liners, a dough whisk, scrapers, a scoring tool with blades, and more. Everything you need for successful baking is here. These upgraded proofing baskets are handmade from durable, food-grade materials. They are designed to resist cracking and prevent sticking, ensuring ideal rise and texture. Whether you're new to sourdough or looking for a great gift, this set brings bakery-quality bread right to your home kitchen. Start your sourdough journey today. What we like. This set offers a complete solution for perfect sourdough bread, designed for both beginners and pros. Its upgraded baskets are made from durable, food-grade polypropylene, ensuring a non-stick surface and crack resistance. If you prioritize ease of use, consistent results, and a modern material, this is an excellent choice for your home baking. What people say. The dough releases easily from the basket, making for a clean transfer to the baking surface. The basket holds its shape well, providing excellent support for the dough during proofing. It creates beautiful, well-defined rings on the crust of the bread, giving it a professional look. Number 3. NeoRov Cotton Rope Proofing Basket Set. Experience superior fermentation with our handmade proofing baskets. Crafted from high-quality cotton rope, they ensure excellent airflow to manage moisture, keeping your dough perfectly fermented without sawdust. Each basket comes with a thick, breathable liner and a precision-fitting cloth cover. This thoughtful design maintains optimal moisture balance, perfect for overnight proofing and convenient refrigerator storage. Cleaning and storing is a breeze. The basket, liner, and cover are all machine washable. Plus, their foldable design and hooks make them easy to dry and store, saving you kitchen space. These versatile baskets not only ensure your dough rises perfectly but also double as beautiful serving baskets. Present your homemade artisan bread elegantly on any table. Searching for a gift for a baker? This elegant proofing basket set is an ideal choice for bakers of all skill levels. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. Experience superior fermentation with these breathable cotton rope baskets. They come complete with a thick liner and a precision-fitting cloth cover, perfect for maintaining dough hydration, even for overnight proofing. If you value optimal moisture balance, easy cleaning, and a stylish presentation for your artisan bread, these baskets are an ideal pick. What people say. The Banneton is well made and holds its shape. The proofing basket creates a beautiful flowered pattern on the dough. It's easy to clean and maintain for repeated use. Number 2. ABIOTO Sourdough Bread Baking Kit. Discover the complete 14-piece kit designed to elevate your bread baking. It includes everything you need, from proofing baskets to specialized tools, making artisan-level baking simple. Experience the difference with our proofing baskets, skillfully woven from premium Indonesian rattan. They are designed to be splinter-free, odor-free, and incredibly durable for consistent results. This kit is more than just tools, it's your partner in baking. Enhance your skills, create impressive loaves, and enjoy the satisfaction of baking like a pro. Bring your family together with the delightful aroma of homemade sourdough. It's a fun way to create healthy treats that are perfect for sharing. We ensure you can bake with confidence thanks to easy instructions and our commitment to your satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with our support for any defects. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This comprehensive kit is ideal for any home baker, providing everything they need to start their sourdough journey. What we like? Crafted from top-tier Indonesian rattan, these proofing baskets are built for longevity and reliability. They are designed to be splinter-free and smell-free, ensuring a pure baking experience. If you're a home baker looking to elevate your skills with durable, high-quality tools and want to impress with consistently great loaves, this kit is a fantastic companion. What people say? The basket is sturdy and holds its shape well, making it easy to get a good oven spring. The dough releases cleanly from the basket, and the proofing lines are beautiful. It comes with a liner and scraper, which are very useful for beginners. Number 1. RORECAY 9-inch round and 10-inch Oval Banneton proofing basket set. Crafted from natural Indonesian rattan cane, these baskets are smooth, splinter-free, and non-stick. They are designed to prevent mold and perfectly wick moisture, enhancing your bread's appearance. This set includes both an oval and a round proofing basket, allowing you to create loaves in different shapes simultaneously. Each can hold up to 2 pounds of dough. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the smooth surface. Excess flour can be easily brushed away. For even simpler cleanup, utilize the included washable linen liner. Achieve perfectly shaped dough that slips out smoothly for baking. These are ideal for all your bread recipes, whether you're a home baker or a professional. We've included everything you need to create beautiful loaves: a dough whisk for mixing, a bread lame for scoring, a dough scraper, and a silicone brush for basting. What we like? Made from natural Indonesian rattan cane, these baskets are designed to wick moisture away from the dough surface, improving bread appearance. They are smooth, non-stick, and come with all the essential tools for beautiful proofing. If you're seeking a classic material that enhances dough structure and want a set that includes a dough whisk, lame, and scrapers, this is a great option for both home and professional bakers. What people say? The dough rises beautifully and has a great crust. It's easy to clean and the dough doesn't stick. The basket holds its shape well and is sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.